To add Facebook Pixel to your Wix website, start by accessing your Facebook Ads Manager account and navigating to the Events Manager section. Click on Add New Data Source and select Facebook Pixel. Then click on Create Pixel. Name your pixel and add your website URL to verify it. Then click on Continue. Next, you will be provided with a pixel code that needs to be installed on your Wix website. To do this, log into your Wix account and navigate to the Settings section of your website. Click on Marketing Integrations and then click on Custom Code. Click on Add Custom Code and select New Code. Then paste the pixel code provided by Facebook into the box. Make sure to select the correct placement of the code, which is head or body, depending on your website setup. Then, set the code to load on every page of your website by selecting the All Pages option. Finally, click on Apply to save the changes and add the Facebook Pixel to your Wix website. To verify that the pixel is working correctly, go back to your Facebook Ads Manager account and navigate to the Events Manager section. Click on the pixel you just created and then click on Send Test Traffic. This will send a test signal to the pixel to verify that it is receiving data from your website. If the pixel is working correctly, you will see a confirmation message indicating that the test was successful. By following these steps, you can successfully add a Facebook Pixel to your Wix website and start tracking important events and data to optimize your advertising efforts. This will help you to better understand your audience and create more effective ads that drive real results.